Today we've got a 2008 F-250 6.4. It's got a popping through the intake. Truck has about 81,000 miles on it, and we're seeing about 3 or 4 a year coming in this way. And what everyone has in common is lack of maintenance and overfilled on oil. It's not that the oil is overfilled, it's that it's contaminated with the fuel from the regen process happening too frequent, not getting done completely, and also the oil change is not done on time. So I'll go ahead and show you the noise with this one and then what we found, because everyone's been exactly the same: premature wear of the rocker arms. So let me go ahead and start it up and we'll let you hear it. Here's the noise from the front. It actually is going through the air filter box. You can hear it more by the air filter. And it gets worse than this. I've heard them a lot worse than this. We have what it looks like with the valve cover off and all the rocker arms still on. As you see, I have to remove all the fuel lines for the fuel injectors from the fuel rail to remove them all. But you can also, I'll show here where you can get the rockers as an assembly. Here's all the rocker arms off. As you see, just leave the injectors still in. Just take the lines off, and the rocker arms will unbolt and come right out. You can see where the rocker arms, where the bridges have started to wear. So make sure you check them, and if they're worn, don't reuse them. You have a premature failure on them. So inspect them all. It's actually a good idea just to replace them. Okay, we got the valve cover off and inspecting the valve train. You can see here the rocker arms. Normally, here's a good one. Here's a new one, what they should look like. I'm looking at the area right here with the where it meets the valve or the bridge that opens them, and the ones off this truck were severely worn, so that's causing the issue, causing the popping back through the intake. Replacing these and also resealing the injectors, the noise is now gone. I'll start it up here and show you the issue. A couple things I want to go over. There's 3 ways to buy these rocker arms assemblies. Here we replaced it all as one assembly like this. Pretty inexpensive. You're looking at under 200 bucks to do them that way. You can buy these individual like this, or the setup like this. But also, what I want to suggest is inspecting the bridges. These go in between the 2 valves. That's where the valve stems are, and this is where the part that's worn rides, right here in the center. It rides right there. That's the foot that was worn off of the other ones. So inspect these, make sure, and also you will need 8 injector reseal kits for the fuel lines, because the fuel lines have to be removed when you take the rocker arms off. So let me go ahead and start this one up and show you now that the noise is gone. There we go with the new rocker arms on. You can tell no more popping through the intake. Noise is all gone. Keep up on the oil changes. This isn't real common. We get a couple, 3 a year, so we see it, and every one that we get also has the oil overfilled. We're seeing less of that now because the new calibration monitors the fuel trim, and when the oil is overfilled, it'll actually speed the fuel trim up and it'll catch it if the computer's been updated and reflashed. But still, there's a lot out there that's not been reflashed. So you get this accessible wear to the rocker arms. Thank you.